How to turn green messages back to blue on iPhone 24. Green messages mean your iPhone is sending texts as SMS instead of iMessages, but I'll show you how to turn those green messages back to blue in just a few steps. First, check your internet connection. iMessages require an active internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular data. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have cellular data enabled. Next, make sure iMessage is enabled on your iPhone. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Messages. Check that the iMessage toggle is turned on. If it's off, turn it on and wait a few seconds for activation. This step is crucial for switching messages from green back to blue. If iMessage is already on but your messages are still green, try restarting your iPhone. Restarting can often fix minor glitches. Simply hold down the power button and either of the volume buttons until you see the slide to power off option. Slide to turn off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Another common reason for green messages is sending to someone who isn't using an Apple device, like Android users. iMessages only work between Apple devices, so if your contact isn't using an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, messages will always be green. Lastly, make sure your iPhone software is up to date. Go to Settings, tap General, and then Software Update. If an update is available, install it, as updates often include fixes for iMessage issues. If none of these steps work, try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, tap General, then Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi, cellular, and iMessage settings, which can often resolve the issue. And that's how you can turn your green messages back to blue on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.